Bonjour à tous. Good morning, everyone. Today, let us see the question and answers of lesson 1, 2, and 3. So, first, I have written the questions. It is given at the back of each dialogue. You can just refer your book. In page number 2, the questions are given and the answers I have written, and right side have given the translation in English in order to make you understand better. Now let me explain the first question. Kiye Divya. Kiye Divya means who is Divya? Who is Divya? Here I have given the translation for all. Okay. So Kiye Divya means who is Divya, and then Divya est la cousine de Vivek. Divya is the cousin of Vivek. Divya is the cousin of Vivek. Now, Divya est-elle française? Divya is French. It means that she has French nationality. Oui, Divya est française. Yes, she is French, or Divya is French. Both are correct. I mean, Divya has French nationality. Then third one, Aditya, Divya et Kumar. Où sont-ils? Aditya, Divya and Kumar, where are they? Aditya, Divya and Kumar, where are they? Aditya, Divya et Kumar sont à une soirée, or at a party, or are at a function. Okay, anything, function, party, evening party. Then fourth one, Ki est Kumar. Who is Kumar? Ki est Kumar. Ki means who. Ki means who. Quel means what. Okay. Qui est Kumar? Kumar est un ami d'enfance de Vivek. Who is Kumar? Kumar is a childhood friend of Vivek. Ami d'enfance. Ami d'enfant means childhood friend. Childhood friend. Ami means friend. Ami d'enfant means childhood friend. Then, fifth one, quelle est la nationalité de Divya? What is the nationality of Divya? Quelle est la nationalité de Divya? What is the nationality of Divya? Divya est français. Divya is French. It means Divya has French nationality. And now, let me move on to the second lesson. What did I say? Ki. Ki means who. Ki means who. Qui est Kalki? Qui est Kalki? Who is Kalki? Kalki est un écrivain Tamil. Kalki is a Tamil writer. Pour quelle équipe Dhoni joue-t-elle? Équipe means team. For which team Dhoni plays? Joue means play. Joue means play. Dhoni joue pour l'équipe Chennai Super Kings. Dhoni plays for the team of Chennai Super Kings. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now, qui est Modiano? Who is Modiano? Modiano est un romancier français contemporain. Who is Modiano? Modiano is a contemporary French writer. Okay. And specifically, romancier means novel writer. Novel writer. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now, qui est Isabelle Adjani? Who is Isabelle Adjani? Isabelle Adjani est une actrice française. Actrice française. Isabelle Adjani is a French actress. French actress. Then, qu'est-ce que le jeune homme adore? What did the young man likes? Le jeune homme means young man. Young man. Le jeune homme adore les sportifs. The young man loves the sportsman. Adore means loves, likes. The young man loves the sportsman. Hope it is clear. And now let me move on to the third lesson. Dans quel quartier de Chennai se trouve le temple Kapalishvara? In which, this Kel means which. Kel has two meanings. One is which, another one is what. Quartier means place. Quartier means place. In which place of Chennai the Kapalishvara temple is found, is located. Satru means found. Satru means found or located. Hope it is clear. Okay. Dans quel quartier de Chennai se trouve le temple Kapalishvara? In which place of Chennai the Kapalishvara temple is located? The temple Kapalishvara Satru or Mylapore. The Kapalishvara temple is located at Mylapore, is found at Mylapore. Always in French, it should be, the temple should come first and then the name of the temple. Okay, it's not like Kapalishvara temple. It is always Le Temple Kapalishvara. Hope it is clear. Okay, the Kapalishvara temple is located or found at Mylapore. Then, Comment le touriste va-t-il au temple Kapalishvara? It means, how did the tourist goes to Kapalishvara temple? The tourist goes to temple. Apiyad means by walk. By walk. The tourist goes to temple by walk. Okay. Then, qu'est-ce que le deux touristes will visit à Paris? What did the two tourists want to visit at Paris? What did the two tourists want to visit at Paris? The two tourists, that is les deux touristes, want to visit la cathédrale de Notre-Dame de Paris. The two tourists want to visit la Cathédrale de Notre-Dame of Paris. La Cathédrale de Notre-Dame is a church, famous church in Paris. The name is same only, La Cathédrale de Notre-Dame. It is a famous church in Paris. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now, fourth one. Ont-ils un plan de Paris? The meaning of it is, do they have a map of Paris? Yes, they have a map of Paris. Oui means yes. No means no. Okay, yes, they have a map of Paris. Plan means map. Plan means map. Do they have a map of Paris? Yes, they have a map of Paris. Then, de quel pays sont les deux touristes? The two tourists are from which country? That is what the question is. The two tourists are from which country? Pay means country. Pay means country. The two tourists are from India. Ond means India. Okay. Les deux touristes sont de l'Inde. The two tourists are from India. I repeat one more time. De quel pays sont les deux touristes? Les deux touristes sont de l'Inde. The two tourists are from India. Hope it is clear. So what I want you to do is take your classwork, write the French question and answers in the left side, and in the right side I request you to write the meaning for that so that you can understand better. And for the examination, you need not write the one which you have written in English. Whatever we have written in English is just for your understanding. Classwork, you can follow this method. For the exam, you just write the exact answer. That alone is enough. Hope it is clear. So in this video, I have explained the question answers of lesson 1, 2 and 3. And I want everybody to write this in your classwork without fail. And the dialogue translation should also be written in your first side of your classwork. Second part of your classwork, you can use it for grammar. Hope it is clear for you all. Okay. Merci. Thank you. Merci means thank you. Bonjourne means have a nice day.